In this short video, I'm going to explain how you can create a sales funnel using Elementor. So we're going to be using a service called Cartfuel. So go to cartfuel.io to sign up for a free trial to follow along with this video. Once you sign up for your free trial, you have your Cartfuel account, just go to settings, just make sure you have your payment gateway connected. So right now, Cartfuel connects with Stripe or PayPal. It's coming soon, but by the time you see this video, it will be released. If you go to external integrations, you can also connect other apps, but primarily you're just looking to connect your payment gateway. Once you have that connected, go to product actions and you're going to click on new product sequence. From here, we'll be able to set up a payment form that we can embed on Elementor to start accepting payments. So we're going to give our sequence a name. This is internal. So let's say that this is Elementor test. And then from here, we can add our products now. So Cartfuel allows you to add multiple products. So if you wanted to add more than one product, you can do that. By first, you have to give Cartfuel the first product. So let's say this is WordPress workbook, and let's say that this workbook is $20. The billing frequency is going to be one time. You can do recurring, meaning that you can set up a subscription within Cartfuel, or you can use Stripe products. For now, we'll just do one time and we'll click on save. So like I said, you can add multiple products just by clicking the add product button, and then you can add another product. And then down here, you can add additional features like additional fees, adding countdown timers, adding a phone number field. You can use HubSpot forms if you connect your Cartfuel to HubSpot. If you're using HubSpot for the CRM, you can add shipping fields, you can add coupons, you can add an order bump, and you can also add donations. For now, I'm not going to add any of these on. I'm just going to keep it really simple just by selling this one workbook. Maybe I'll add the shipping field just so that we can collect that information, but that's it. So once you toggle these on, you can see that it automatically adds that element to the payment form on the right-hand side. Let's go to the next step though, because in step 2, we're going to customize our form. So with Cartfuel, you're able to really customize it to the way that you like. So you can choose a different font. You can also choose a different form style. You can also change out the header text and the payment header text, as well as the text color. So let's say you wanted it to be this pink. You can do so like so. And then you can also change out the placeholder. So edit placeholder name text. So maybe you wanted to say enter your full name instead of enter your name. You can change that. And then you can change the button color, the button text color, and also the text. So let's say that, yes, I want this workbook. Perfect. Then you can change the button size and also the button radius. So if you want it to be more circular, you can do that. The URL tab, you can enter your terms of service or privacy policy URL so that if they see the terms or privacy policy, they can click on those links and it will bring them to the link that you input here. Let's go to the next step though. So step 3 is where are you going to send them after they purchase this workbook? We can make 2 choices. We can send them to our thank you page or any other link really, or you can upsell them. With Cartfuel, you're able to actually create these sales funnel sequences where you can sell this workbook and then, sell an upsell for making more money, right? So you can say like WordPress workbook is going to be the main product, but then for the upsell, we're going to do an advanced workbook, right? Where it gives you even more tips and techniques on how to use WordPress. So let's do that. Let's set up an upsell. So what you need to do is go into your WordPress site and locate the page where you're going to have this upsell element be embedded. So in our case, I'm just going to go to my upsell page that I already created. So you can see here, upsell test page. I'm going to click on view, and then I'm just going to grab the link of this particular page. I'm going to go back, and then I'm going to go to Cartfuel and drop that in. I need to tell Cartfuel that this page is an upsell page. So we're going to toggle that on, and then we're going to start setting up our upsell. So we'll give it a name for the upsell. So we could say WordPress workbook plus. And again, you could change the header color here. You can also change out the price. So let's say that we wanted this to be $25. And you can also do some more features down here. We'll skip that for now. And we can go to style. We can change the button text. So I can say, yes, I want this upsell. I like this color, so we'll go with that. And then once we're done setting up the price and the product, you can go to custom code and you can add custom code, and you can also tell Cartfuel, okay, after they buy this upsell, where are they going to go? So if you want to add another upsell, you can toggle this on and then you can enter the upsell URL here. But for now, we're just going to have one upsell. So what we need to do is send them to a thank you page. So what I'm going to do is go to my WordPress site. I actually don't have a thank you page, so I'm just going to go and redirect them to my blog. So I'm just going to grab this and then I'm going to enter that here and enter that here, so that if they buy this product, they'll go to my blog, but if they say no thank you, they will also go to the blog. All right, let's go to the next step. Step 4, you can set up an integration if you have them. Like I was showing you before, you can connect your Kajabi or Wordful. We also connect with webhooks, so you can do that as well. And then step 5, you can actually send an email from within Cartfuel. If you want to, do a quick thank you email or something like that, you can do that directly within Cartfuel. So now we're going to click on save. And then you're going to be presented with these codes. You don't have to do anything with the code. All you need to do is copy the code, and we're going to paste it on our site with Elementor. So what you're going to do is go to your site, and you're going to go find the page where you want to embed the initial payment. So in this case, I have an initial payment test. So what I'm going to do is click on edit with Elementor, and then I'm going to add an HTML element to my page. That way I can easily paste that code. So you can see here I have an HTML element. So what you want to do is search for the widget HTML, and then just drag this in like so. And then within that element, you just paste the code that you copied from here, and then you copy the second one, and then you just paste it here. All right, then I'm gonna click on update, and we're gonna go to the dashboard, and we're gonna do the same thing but for the upsell. So I'm gonna copy that first code, and I'm gonna go back to my pages, and we're gonna do the same thing for the upsell. So we'll go edit with Elementor, and here I'm just gonna get rid of that, but this is the HTML element. I'm gonna paste that code, and then grab the second code and update it. Perfect. So now we have our payment form on our site. Now we're going to test this out. So I'm going to go back to the dashboard, and I am going to go to all pages, and we're going to view this page, and we're going to test this out to make sure that it works. So here we go. We got the WordPress workbook. It's $20. We can enter our information here, and it actually added some tax here. So you can see here that we actually have custom tax rules in Cartfuel. And because I said I'm from California, it added the 7% tax onto this order. So if we were to go out of here, you see that tax is now removed. But you can set up tax rules to basically charge different states or different regions, provinces, different taxes, which is pretty neat. So let's do credit card and enter our name here. And then for the card, we'll do 424242. That's the test number. And then we'll say, yes, I want this workbook. And it's going to redirect us to our upsell page that we set up before. So you can see here now we can say, do we want this workbook plus? Or we say, no, we don't want that. Either way, it's going to redirect us to the blog. So as you can see, you're able to set up a sales funnel inside of WordPress using Elementor and Cartfuel. So go to cartfuel.io, sign up for a free 14-day trial, set up your product sequences, your payment forms, so that you can see how this works on your website. If you guys like this video, please give us a big subscribe, and also leave a comment down below. Give us a like so that other people like yourself can see this content. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.